What's up, PrettyJayyGang? It's your girl, and I'm back with another video. As you can read by the title and the thumbnail, it's Vlogtober day 4. And before we hop into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on post notifications bell so you get notified every time I post another video. So let's hop straight into this video. Okay, y'all, so today we'll be doing a mukbang. We're just gonna be talking about different kind of stuff, different topics and everything. So I got my food warming up in the microwave. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. And yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna give it to you guys when I have my food. Okay, y'all, I got my food. We got some collards, some chicken with rice with hot sauce on it. Then we got some muffins. Yeah. Let me I don't know. So in this video, we're just gonna talk about goals for the end of this year and like long-term goals, short-term goals, all that stuff, you know. So let me get my bite of every single food, well, except the muffins, but let's call it chicken. Yes, sir. Oh my god. With hot sauce and rice. Okay, y'all. So my goals for the rest of this year. So as y'all know, I play basketball. So the season starts in November, but we have tryouts October 31st on Halloween. So yeah, my goals for basketball is like to extend my range, better free throw percentage, to help other people out and things like that. Help the oncomers, that just started basketball. Because I remember where I was at my freshman year. I remember every little thing. I remember this one game. Never will forget, I swear. But I might give y'all a story time on that. I might. Might have some friends with me that was my teammates my freshman year. You like, you know. Yeah, that was my goal. I brought up free throw percentage. Working on my 3. That's about it for real. But anything else, I got that down pat for real. But yeah. Now for the rest of 2022, my goal is to like be more independent than what I am right now. Cause I know I have done some bad things, well, not bad things, but like not so good things. But it wasn't that bad, but you know. Just help my mom out a lot. Just help her out. Get her where she needs to be. And just give back. Just give back to the community. Yes. But yeah, just get back to the community. And then work my behind off after basketball season's over. Work my behind off. So then here come like midsummer. I have my car. I have my car. I'm like, huh? Oh, okay. Cause yeah, we gonna get there. Yeah, cause I know anything I put my mind to, I'ma do it, and I'ma go get it for sure. And another is I want to share this one personal goal for me is to make a better relationship with my friend that I have like problems with. Well, I don't want to say problems with, but like issues with. Like I don't want to say every other week, but you know what I mean. But yeah, I just want to come, you know, because I really feel like she's somebody you don't want to lose at all. Like she's somebody you don't want to lose a single bit. Like she gonna be right there. Beside you every step of the way, I swear. But yeah, if you watching this video, I love you, girl. I love you. It might not seem like that, but I love you. And I say that from the bottom of my heart. Like, bro, you was one person like really pushes me and helps me throughout any situation we may have or me and another person may have. Like, it's really there with you. Really there. But yeah. Hold on, y'all. My mouth is burning up. But I'm gonna get back to you guys when I'm back. Cause I gotta go get me some drink. I need me some, no wait, no. Water. So good. New water. Too good. Too good. But yeah. That was one of my personal goals. I just wanted to share with y'all. And then my goal is to okay, I'm saying my goal. My goal after high school to go to college. I want to be an accountant. So yeah, I really like doing it because after I had this accounting class last year, bro, like it just made me like, yeah, this is my passion for real. I want to go to college to do this. But I used to want to go to college to do hair. I said, nah. Want to go to college, be in veterinarian? I said, nah. Because my mom was telling me, like, I was copying everybody else. Weird. But anyway, yeah. And, yeah, I just found that as my passion to do that for real. And then, yeah. No. for Halloween, it's gonna be, because Halloween is on a Monday, so like it's like what? Because I don't think I'm gonna do nothing that night. Just go home, do them at my house, and yeah. But on Halloween, y'all would definitely come with me to school. Well, no, y'all already had that chance to. But you're gonna definitely come to tryouts with me. Tryouts, yeah. Definitely come to tryouts with me, for sure. But yeah, not too much. Well, why does this light keep going out, bro? Keep going. Hey, bro, give me some natural light, like, bro. Cause I don't have my ring light over here, and I don't feel like turning on this light up here. So I'm like, give me that natural light back, though. I don't want to look dark as get on out, bro. Like, no, I don't. But yeah, I'm just gonna do a little ASMR. And watch me eat. You hungry? Let me not be selfish. Y'all hungry? I'm sorry. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. But yeah, all I got is 2 muffins left to eat, and I'm gonna be done. So y'all, hold up, a little ASMR. Okay, y'all, this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you turn on post notifications bell so you get notified every time I post another video. Peace, gang.